11, so it's just me at the moment because B carried on sleeping. I think last night knackered her out, so I've been up for a good hour maybe, but and I've been editing Vlogmas, and B has been sleeping. She's in our bed because she was in our bed from 6 AM, but let's go see her. I know that she's awake because I can hear her. Busy bub. Hello, my darling. Shall we have a nicer light to wake you up? Oh, hello, gorgeous. Oh, look at you, my lovely bear. You had a lovely sleep. I made you a bottle about an hour ago, but luckily I've kept it warm. Because we can have it now. Yay, baby. Oh, hey there. I'm doing some sewing. So I am making a bright red Clio, Attilly and the Buttons Clio. Because mainly because of Christmas, but also I want to finish it tomorrow because it's election day, and I'm not going to say anything political, but I think you can see which way I'm going. So I really want to have it ready to wear tomorrow because, yeah, I'm going to fly my red flag high. B is clearly awake, but she's had quite a good nap. It's nearly been 40 minutes, so she's just woken up. I'm going to leave her a little bit, see how she fares, because since she's done her whole I go back to sleep occasionally if you leave me, I'm just going to leave her and see, unless she gets upset, then I'll go and get her. But anyway, so I'm just going to cut this out and then at least get the iron out and put the interfacing on so that I can sew later tonight. But that's like my task for today, so that's quite exciting. Yay! Sorry B, what were you saying? She is very screamy today, but in a very cute way. She's just got this new like cat scream going on. My little cat, little kitty cat. She seems perfectly fine. Like I don't think she's bothered. She just likes this new sound. It's really funny. Oh dear. I'm just editing a little bit. I just really want to catch up, and I'm getting there, so I'm just letting her play while I have some editing time. Quite a lethargic day. We did do lots this morning, didn't we? Yeah, but we kind of slowed down this afternoon. Well, I have anyway. Let's be gone. Where is she? There she is! Let's be gone! There she is! Alright, dribble bibbles. Okay guys, I'm gonna actually say goodbye and good night this time. I've been really awful at this bit, and I haven't filmed very much today at all as far as I can remember, so this will be a very quick vlogmas, but just to let you know that we will see you tomorrow. Lots of love.